Hey, skincare enthusiasts! You know I'm all about uncovering effective and affordable skincare solutions. Lately, there's been a buzz around the rice water challenge, with people raving about its incredible benefits for the skin. But is it just another fleeting trend, or is there real science backing up these claims? Let's dive in and find out. For centuries, rice water has been a staple in Asian beauty routines, renowned for its ability to enhance skin health and appearance. Remember those stunning Yao women from the Chinese village of Huangluo, famous for their incredibly long, luscious hair? They attribute their hair's health and growth to, you guessed it, rice water rinses. But it's not just about hair. Rice water is believed to work wonders for the skin too. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do everything from brightening your complexion to reducing the appearance of those pesky dark spots. So, buckle up as we explore the world of rice water and discover the secrets to achieving that coveted glow naturally. Get ready to be amazed. Rice water isn't just your average leftover kitchen ingredient. It's a potent elixir for your skin. This humble liquid is a treasure trove of skin-loving nutrients like amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These powerful components work in synergy to transform your skin from the inside out. One of the standout benefits of rice water is its ability to brighten the skin. It contains a unique compound called inositol, which promotes cell growth and improves blood circulation, leaving your skin looking radiant and luminous. But wait, there's more. Rice water is also known to minimize the appearance of pores, thanks to its astringent properties. This means saying goodbye to those annoyingly large pores that can make your skin look uneven. And if you're struggling with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or acne scars, rice water can be your new best friend. Its natural skin lightening properties help fade away those imperfections over time, revealing a more even and flawless complexion. Get ready to embrace the power of rice water and witness your skin transform into its healthiest, most radiant self. Ready to experience the magic of rice water firsthand? Here's a super simple recipe to make your own fermented rice water at home. Half a cup of uncooked rice, white or brown, 2 cups of water. 1. Rinse the rice thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or impurities. This step is crucial to ensure a clean and effective rice water solution. 2. In a clean jar or container, combine the rinsed rice with 2 cups of water. Stir well to ensure the rice is fully submerged. 3. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or cheesecloth and leave it at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, or until the water turns slightly sour and cloudy. This indicates that the fermentation process is complete. 4. Once fermented, strain the rice water into a clean container using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. Make sure to press down on the rice to extract all the goodness. 5. Your homemade fermented rice water is ready to use. Store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Section 4. The rice water ritual application tips for glowing skin. Now that you have your potent rice water concoction, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your skincare routine for maximum benefits. 1. Cleanse. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities from your skin. This allows the rice water to penetrate deeply and work its magic effectively. 2. Tone. Soak a cotton pad generously with the fermented rice water and gently swipe it across your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. You can also use your clean hands to gently pat the rice water onto your skin. 3. Don't rinse. Here's the key. Do not rinse off the rice water after application. Allow it to air dry completely, allowing your skin to absorb all the nutrients. 4. Moisturize. Once the rice water has dried, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and enhance the benefits. 5. Be consistent. For best results, incorporate rice water into your skincare routine 1 to 2 times daily. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing noticeable improvements in your skin's texture, tone, and overall appearance. Remember, patience is a virtue. You may not see drastic results overnight, but with regular use, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, smoother, and more radiant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.